we are going to use the button, so it's your choice. Either you can put the bigger one or the small one, and if you want a different color you can do different color. So I prefer small one, it looks nice, so I'll put it there. That's my where I'm going to do buttonhole. So the top overlap, if you can see. So how you mark to do buttonhole, you hold the button in the middle, mark it like that, and just straight. So there you are going to cut it. And buttonhole you always do with the hand. Machine buttonhole is not that nice. So when you are cutting, just fold it, cut it. So you see, you cut like that. Don't try to cut all the way fold side. So that's how you'll cut it. And then I'm going to show you how you can do the buttonhole stitch. So you start like that, put your finger in so you know it's cut, and you go on top like that, round the needle and pull this way. Yeah, and you will go all the way around, and make sure, take your time and go all the way around. Now I'm going to do the other side. So I'm not cutting my thread, I'm just go around. I'm not taking too much, not leaving too much space, otherwise when you wash it the threads start coming out. When you do it, make sure you pull your thread, not other side, pull it where is your cutting. Otherwise you'll get different knots. Okay, come to the end, I'll go wrong side, and I'm going to do the knots. So I'm going to do round knots. So I'll go 1, 2, and in there, and pull it slowly. You can do 2 knots so it's more stronger. Okay. My buttonhole is ready. I've got my button, so I'm going to check. Can you see it's going in nicely? And then you mark it middle of that, and your buttons goes there. So you can see where I marked it. I'll put button on the top, and I knot my thread. So I'll go down, and then I'll come to the hole, and you can do 2-3 times. So make sure it's strong button. So when you have done it 4 times, you make a round knot. Always the knot is round knot. It's got a button there, buttonhole there, just goes in. What we are going to do now, we are going to finish off the hem at the bottom. So you can try them first, or and how much you want. So when you try it, say measure from the top what length you want. Yeah, so I want 36, so I've got 2-inch extra. So if you don't want too much, you can cut it off, leave only 2, otherwise it's too much to put it in. So when you've done that, you fold 1/2 inch and iron first, because the second one, if it's a trouser, if you are going to wear outside, make sure you do hemming. But if you don't want hemming, you just use the machine. So you same thing you do here, 1/2 inch. What it is. Now we will machine. You can see that 1/2 inch is in. I'm going to machine on the edge, and then what I want, I fold it again and hemming. So you can see I'm machining on the edge of that 1/2 inch what I'll fold. So what I've done, I machined already, you can see them, and then this is my second fold, but you can do the hemming. So hemming is the hand stitch. Fold it, iron, see, you can see inside I already hemming. I have iron, and I'm going to show you how you can use the hand stitch. Okay, you can see that's my folding line. I iron it. Now you take needle and thread, and this stitch is called hemming. Okay, how you do it, you know, the thread you start, you go straight, take little bit an angle, and again where you see your thread, you go straight there and diagonal. So you're going to finish your trouser like that. So we finished the trouser, and it looked nice on the fitting and everything. I hope you will learn lots of things how to make a trouser, and you will enjoy to make it. Thank you very much for watching my video.